everybody, what's up? My name's Adam McKay. You're watching the Learning to Image channel. Today's going to be a quick little video. I recently purchased the DJI Mavic Air. It's my first drone. Wanted to test that out, see what it had to offer. I have to say its portability is ridiculous. It's so much smaller than you probably think it is. So far so good. I did some cold weather flights with it, minus 20. They don't recommend flying it in anything below minus 0 degrees Celsius, but I'm here to tell you that it works just fine in minus 20. I actually still got 17 minutes of flight time. I might post a video up about that. But one of the things that impressed me the most here is this photo right here. So this photo I shot in RAW DNG on the DJI Mavic Air. This is a photo of a lake, and as you can see, it is pretty blown out there. And if I reset this, it's just overexposed by quite a bit. You can check the histogram up here, massively overexposed. So I was a bit disappointed. I thought maybe this could have been a cool shot. This is like the first day I had it. And then this happened, and this really blew my mind. So we take the exposure slider over here, and look what happens when we drag it down. Yep. All of that information is still there. Right? Crazy. It blew my mind a bit, actually. And you can still see detail in the guy. I mean, I don't know, like this, unless there's something, I'm doing something wrong in the camera and I just don't know, because this is the photo I got from Lightroom when I brought it in. So I'm just really blown away with how much. This is almost 5 stops of overexposure here. Let's call it 3. But mother of pearl. Just wild. Anyway, that's all I wanted to share. The camera is pretty good. I've shot some video with it as well, but I don't have any ND filters, so I haven't really got to dive into that as much as I wanted to. But man, the overexposure latitude, I'm going to do some more tests to see if this is just a one-off or there was some weird settings issues, but so far so good. Thanks for tuning in. As always, do good shots.